Hi everyone, Kaos Nova here, and I have a big announcement here on emulation at this time. OpenEmu is in need of an update with macOS Ventura coming online as the new macOS update. We currently have a need for some update with OpenEmu because at this time OpenEmu will not accept the Dolphin cores for GameCube and Wii. However, Dolphin's newest update is up to date for Ventura, so that will work. So anytime if you're trying to play GameCube games on live stream, it just works better with Dolphin. And Dolphin at this time is even doing full screen option, which was not working with the OpenEmu version with the last macOS update before Ventura. So, meantime, just use Dolphin. It works.